ତୁମେ ଏଠାକୁ ଆସ କି? ଡୁ ୟୁ କମ୍ ହିଅର୍? ଡୁ ୟୁ କମ୍ ହିଅର୍? ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ କେବେ ଯାଅ? When do you go there? When do you go there? ତୁମେ କାଲି ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଇଥିଲ କି? Did you go to school yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday? हाँ ମୁଁ କାଲି ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଇଥିଲି। Yes, I went to school yesterday. Yes, I went to school yesterday. ସେ ତୁମକୁ ଭେଟନ୍ତି କି? Does he meet you? Does he meet you? ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ରବିବାର ଦିନ ଭେଟିଥିଲି। I met her on Sunday. I met her on Sunday. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କାଲି ଭେଟିଥିଲି। I met him yesterday. I met him yesterday. ସେ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? Is she with you? Is she with you? ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଅଛନ୍ତି। He is with his friends. He is with his friends. ତୁମେ କଲେଜରେ ଅଛ କି? Are you at college? Are you at college? ତୁମେ ଏହି ଫିଲ୍ମ ଦେଖିଲ କି? Did you watch this film? Did you watch this film? ତୁମେ ମୋ ନମ୍ବର କେଉଁଠୁ ପାଇଲ? ଏହି ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ଆମେ ଏମିତି ବି କୁହନ୍ତି, ତୁମକୁ ମୋ ନମ୍ବର କେଉଁଠୁ ମିଳିଲା? ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା, Where did you get my number? Where did you get my number? ତୁମ ନମ୍ବର ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି। ଏହି ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ଆପଣ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍ କରିକି କମେଣ୍ଟସରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ସେ ତୁମର ସବୁଠୁ ଭଲ ସାଙ୍ଗ କି? Is he your best friend? Is he your best friend? ତୁମର ସବୁଠୁ ଭଲ ସାଙ୍ଗ କିଏ? Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? ସେ ତୁମକୁ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରନ୍ତି କି? Does he ask you any questions? Does he ask you any questions? ତୁମେ ଦାନ୍ତ ଘଷୁନ କି? Don't you brush your teeth? Don't you brush your teeth? ଆଜି ତୁମେ ଦାନ୍ତ ଘଷିନ କି? Didn't you brush your teeth today? Didn't you brush your teeth today? ଆମେ ଏମିତି ବି କହିପାରିବା, Did you not brush your teeth today? ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଦାନ୍ତ ଘଷେ। I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. ସେ ମୋତେ ବିଲକୁଲ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲାନି। He did not help me at all. He did not help me at all. ତୁମ ଜୀବନର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କ'ଣ? What is the goal of your life? What is the goal of your life? ମୁଁ ତୁମ ଫୋନ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରିବି କି? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? ଏହା ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କାହିଁକି କହୁଛ? Why are you telling me this? Why are you telling me this? ତୁମେ ଅପରାହ୍ନରେ କ'ଣ କର? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the afternoon? ଆମେ କାଲି କେଉଁଠାରେ ଭେଟିବା? Where will we meet tomorrow? Where will we meet tomorrow? ସେ ଖେଳ ପଡ଼ିଆରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? ଏହି ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ଆପଣ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍ କରିକି କମେଣ୍ଟସରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ତୁମେ ଏହି ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ କେଉଁଠୁ କିଣିଲ? From where did you buy this bag? From where did you buy this bag? ଏହି ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ର ଦାମ କେତେ? What is the price of this bag? What is the price of this bag? ତୁମ ପାଖରେ କେତୋଟି ବହି ଅଛି? How many books do you have? How many books do you have? ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କାହିଁକି ଡାକୁଥିଲ? Why were you calling me? Why were you calling me? ସେ ଇଂରାଜୀ କାହିଁକି ଶିଖୁଛି? Why is she learning English? Why is she learning English? ତୁମ ପ୍ରିୟ ବିଷୟ କ'ଣ? What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫେଭରିଟ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ କ'ଣ କମେଣ୍ଟସରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ତୁମେ ମୋ କଥା କାହିଁକି ଶୁଣୁନ କିମ୍ବା ଶୁଣୁନାହଁ? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର କେଉଁଠି ଭେଟିଲ? Where did you meet her for the first time? Where did you meet her for the first time? ତୁମ ପରୀକ୍ଷା କେବେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେବ? When will your exams begin? When will your exams begin? ତୁମେ ଏହା କେମିତି କରିବ? How will you do it? How will you do it? ଏଠାକୁ କେତେ ଲୋକ ଆସିବେ? How many people will come here? How many people will come here? ଆପଣ ଗୋଟିଏ ଦିନରେ କେତେ ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ ପାଣି ପିଅନ୍ତି? How many glasses of water do you drink in a day? How many glasses of water do you drink in a day? ମୁଁ ଦିନକୁ 6 ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ ପାଣି ପିଏ। I drink 6 glasses of water in a day. I drink 6 glasses of water in a day. Thank you so much for watching.